Hello. This is like so weird. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I have done a video. I just looked up at my YouTube channel. It's been almost a year basically since I have done a video. I'm surprised I still have 300 somewhat of you followers on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the people that are still subscribed to my channel. But yeah, I am trying to get back into filming makeup videos, tutorials, reviews, blah blah blah, all that stuff. I'm going to try and get back into the swing of things with my channel. I figured I would just start out with a quick, few-minute video just giving you a life update from me. What has been going on with me and why I have been absent for a year almost. So if you want to hear what has been going on in my life, then please keep watching. Okay, so first, I stopped filming probably summer last year. If it's almost a year, I probably stopped filming end of July or so. I don't remember when my last video was filmed, but I stopped filming in July. My husband, which we were not married back then, he has now since then joined the military, so I stopped filming and he went to basic training in August. So from August till now, we have had our lives completely changed. So I'll backtrack. Let's go from August. So he left for basic training in August. So I was dealing with that, which we went from being with each other 24/7 to nothing. Nothing at all. Just letters we were writing to each other. I think I got a total of 3 or 4 phone calls in the 2 months he was gone. And they weren't even like 5 minutes long. They were probably like 2 minutes. One was like maybe 3-4 minutes, but very, distant between the two of us for that time frame, but it was just because he had to. And so we went back to the old school ways of writing letters to each other. So I was writing him a letter a day. So he got lots of letters from me in the 2 months that we were apart. And then he graduated from basic training in September. And I went to that graduation, and it was for 4 days. So me and my family went. And so I saw him for 4 days. Then we had to leave, and he stayed. And then from the very beginning of October till February, he was in what they call tech school. He was in school for his job. And I only saw him during the holidays for Christmas for like 5 or 6 days. So we saw each other for like a total of 10 days in the entire time that we were apart from each other. So from August till February when he graduated, we were apart. And so I was basically just focusing on work. I worked 2 jobs at the time, so I was basically just working and hanging out with my friends. That was about it. I was just trying to keep myself busy. This would have kept me busy, but I feel like just, I was getting out of the house, doing, different things. I still shopped and bought makeup, so, I still am building my collection, but I kind of just wanted to keep myself busy, like, outside of the house, I guess, if you will. So I was just keeping myself busy in that time and kind of just focused on working a lot. I was just trying to save money for when we moved, because now we are in a totally different place. So now let's fast forward to February when he graduates. He comes home. I was still working my 2 jobs. I had quit my second job first, and then I worked my other job up until like a week or 2 before we moved. And then we left March 4th or 5th, and it took us 3 days to get here just because we took our time and my parents helped us move. So we got here and we moved into our new house on the 8th. 7th or 8th, I don't even remember, of March. So we have now been here since March, and we are in Missouri. Yes, we are in Missouri. Who would think to move to Missouri? Not me. But it's really not that bad. I was just like, I'm going to be living in cow country, kind of, like, but it's really, like, not like that. It is, but it isn't. Like, yes, when I drive outside the base and you go on the highway, yes, there's farms, and yes, there's cows, and yes, after it rains, it smells horrible, and you just smell cow shit. Excuse my language, but literally you do. So, it's nice here. It's very nice. The summer so far is really, really hot, like really hot. But it's nice. The people are very nice here. We do live on base, so that was a big adjustment as well. So we went from New York to my parents' house to here now in our own home. So we've been here since March, like I said, and we've just been adjusting to that. It wasn't too like hard of bleh. It was not too hard of an adjustment actually. Like it was pretty easy. Like I liked setting up the house and everything. My parents helped us. They stayed for a couple of days, and then when they left, that was hard when they left, but it's not bad. You know, we FaceTime our families. We talk to them on the phone. Some of his family has visited already a couple times, and then my family will visit again. So it's not bad. It's a different life, but I'm enjoying it so far. I'm currently not working. I am looking for a job though, but I'm not working at the moment, so there's that. That's different. Like I went from 2 jobs to not working at all. And then we also got a puppy. Well, he's still a puppy. He's 5 months old. He's sleeping, but I will show you. Come here, baby. Oh, this is the baby. This is Bear. Say hi, baby. Yeah, say hi. I know. You wanted me to put you back down. Go ahead. I know I bothered him. Good boy. Good boy. That is Bear. He is a toy Australian Shepherd, and he is 5 months old as of a couple days ago. I never knew there was, like, a toy of an Australian Shepherd. I just thought there were Australian Shepherds. Because, like, we wanted a little bit smaller dog, like 20, 25 pounds, just for traveling purposes now that he is in the military, just to make it easier on us. When we do, like, say we move again or we have to travel, it's just easier with, like, a little bit smaller dog. I've always had big dogs my whole life, so it's, like, so different to have him now. He's literally, like, just curls up in this little ball, and he just fits in the corner of the couch, and, like, I can put him in my bag, and it's just, like, it's funny. So, and he is amazing. We love him. He's great. He trains so well. So I've been focusing on that, too, like, just trying to train him. He's a lot better now. He was, you know, a little difficult at first, but it wasn't too bad. Like I never crate trained a dog before. We stopped that after like 2 months, and he's been perfect after, you know, we stopped training him in the crate. He just didn't like it. So we've just been, you know, working with him and, you know, just figuring out our lives here. So basically that's what's been going on. So yeah, I am now a military spouse, which I never would have thought, you know, in a long time that I would be one to say that. It's just weird. But I do like the life so far. I mean, it is probably going to have its ups and downs. So far, so good. You know, he just works his normal job. But I'm sure there's going to be deployments, things like that I'm going to have to go through. But I mean, like I said, I've already dealt with the worst part, which was boot camp, I think, personally, in which I've talked to people that have been in it a lot longer than me. They said that's the worst part. But yeah, I mean, I have my family, he has his family and stuff, and they all support us, so it's great. So we have just went from the lives we had in New York to now literally doing a 360 to something completely different. So that's just what's been going on. But I mean, there have been times where I have wanted to film since we've been here. It's just, I haven't, to be honest. I was kind of lazy to do it. Like just setting the whole thing up. Like right now, literally, I have just my camera on the tripod. I have these lights on. Thankfully, I have this nice big window outside. Like, I mean, it's facing the front of my house, so people can probably see me, but whatever. And I literally have my computer on 2 shoeboxes. Like, I need to figure out a setup right now with, like, you know, lighting and things like that, which the natural lighting isn't too bad. But I will hopefully be getting back into the swing of things. I want to do more colorful looks. I know that. I have been building my Instagram a little bit more, which I do more looks on there. It's just easier to do the makeup and then just post the look than it is to actually sit and film it. It's weird. I just think it's so much easier to do that. And I've noticed a lot more people are just doing Instagram, and they're not even doing, you know, like YouTube channels and stuff. But I figured I would come back and give it another try. A lot of people are telling me, oh, you should do videos again, you should do videos. So here I am. I'm just giving you a life update, and then hopefully my next video will be a makeup tutorial or review or something. I want to do BoxyCharm reviews too. I've been getting those for about 2 years now, and I love everything that we get. Like, I just love the July box. So, I mean, hopefully I can do that. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I mean, that's just been my life. So, moving, joining the military lifestyle, getting a puppy. Yeah, that's all that's been happening since last time I filmed a video. So that's about it. I really don't know what else to say. Hopefully I updated you all on my life. I don't even know if you guys care, but thank you all of you who have still been subscribed to my channel. This is so nice of you. And yeah, hopefully I will be back with another video. I'm going to try to at least do once a week, but I do want to film like Mondays and Wednesdays. Like I want to set a schedule, like, because obviously I'm home. I want to like set a schedule when I can film, and then I can post on, say, like Tuesdays and Thursdays or something like that. Hopefully I can get the hang of it and get everything adjusted to the way I want. But yeah, this is my life and this is what has been going on. I really hope you all enjoyed listening to me ramble. So yeah, hopefully I will see you all in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you later. Bye.